If you're tired of watching your aggressive tour destroy supposedly resistant, durable dog toys in just a matter of minutes, you're going to love this deep dive into this truly resilient pet treat. This is EcoKind Yak Cheese Himalayan Dog Chews. Now, watch until the end because you're going to want to see my crazy black lab puppy named Rockstar enjoy this treat and actually calm himself down from his very typical uncalm state. The EcoKind Yak Cheese Himalayan Dog Chews are specifically engineered to withstand the powerful jaws of large breeds like mine, providing hours of mental stimulation. As you can see, he's chewing any and everything within his path. He needs something strong. Now, this is engineered to be strong enough for him, and it's healthy chewing. It's made from an ancient Himalayan recipe. These treats utilize a blend of yak milk, cow milk, lime juice, and a pinch of salt to create a rock-solid texture. Unlike synthetic bones and dangerous rawhides, this natural alternative provides a safe, digestible outlet for your dog's instinctive chewing urges while promoting excellent dental hygiene and scraping away plaque and tartar buildup. What sets this high-protein treat apart from others is remarkable simplicity and nutritional integrity, with only 3 pure ingredients entirely free from artificial preservatives, binders, colors, and chemical additives. The extensive boiling and drying process naturally removes the lactose, making it incredibly gentle on sensitive canine stomachs. Now, this particularly large size chew is perfect proportion for big dogs like mine who need a substantial challenge. As your dog chews, the friction softens the cheese just enough to reward them with a rich, savory flavor that keeps them engaged for days on end. It is the ultimate guilt-free treat for pet parents who demand highest quality nutrition and maximum durability. If you want to keep discovering the best in pet products, like this review and follow us for more from this great brand that provided this for our honest opinion. As you can see, my Rockstar loves it, and it will help keep your furry best friend happy and healthy. He is a very active black lab puppy who rarely sits still, and this has gotten his attention and his desire to chew. He will chew on any and everything, and I'm trying to get him chewing on the right things, and I think I found the answer. Look how calm he is chewing on this and how much he's enjoying it. Yay for Rockstar, and yay for me, and yay for this brand. So happy to have found this great product. I know you will love it, and please look at the different options for different sizes and quantities.